Russian missiles used in Ukraine are of such poor quality that they are more dangerous for their own troops than for Ukrainian ones. That is shown in this dramatic battlefield footage when Russian surface-to-air missile turns and strikes the invading army that launched it. The moment is captured by pro-Russian separatists which launched a rocket at Ukrainian troops in the city of Alchevsk. The bizarre mid-air malfunction sees the missile fail as it ascends in the night sky before looping back on itself and pummeling positions held by Vladimir Putin's troops. Alchevsk is one of several cities making up the conflict's new frontline, where Ukrainian troops are fiercely defending their land from pro-Russian separatists and the Kremlin's military. Russian troops had reportedly launched the missile in an attempt to knock a Ukrainian aircraft out of the sky, according to a video posted on the Face of War Telegram channel. It's thought the missile went haywire due to a malfunction in its internal GPS tracking system. The botched attack also led to a blaze tearing through nearby homes, local media has reported. It's unknown which anti-air missile system, which can cost a staggering $245 million per unit, backfired. The number of fatalities and injuries are yet to be revealed. Russian army equipment hasn't been living up to its reputation since the start of the conflict, with several military blunders seen over the past few weeks. Yesterday, a Russian military aircraft en route to the Ukrainian battlefield burst into flames before plunging to the ground near Moscow. The cargo plane had taken off again after refueling when it crashed into a field close to the city of Ryazan, situated around 125 miles south of the capital. It was already on fire before it landed and then burst into a massive ball of flames on the ground. And last week, a Kremlin fighter jet also crashed in a burning wreck close to the Ukrainian border. A video showed the burned wreckage of the fighter in Russia's Belgorod region, which shares frontiers with the Luhansk, Kharkiv, and Sumy regions of Ukraine. The Pentagon said earlier that 60% of Russian missiles in Ukraine failed to reach their target due to malfunction or other reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.